adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Whoa! Yeah.
Playing with mud is so much fun. Hey, stop! Yuck, yuck, yuck! Where is the water hose? Here I come! I will catch you! Run, run, run! Uh-oh!
Yeah.
Water. Oil.
Playing with mud is so much fun.
Glitter.
Playing with mud is so much fun. Oopsie! You can't catch us now.
Whoa!
Muddy balls. Hey, hey, hey.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Huge, huge. I will
Hey, girl.
Banana,
What?
banana, banana, where are you?
Oh.
I am banana. Do, 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 do. Banana, banana. Who is there with you? Banana, banana. No, that won't do. I'm banana, banana. I'm banana. That is there with
Wow.
me. I'm banana, banana.
Whoa.
I'm banana, that is there with me.
Strawberry. Ew.
1, 2, 3. Hocus pocus.
Whoa! Fantastic.
Yummy apple,
Aw.
let's take a bite.
What?
Get here, Bob, eating my snack. With a pencil, we will draw a nice color. Here you go.
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh no!
Red, show me something red. Red, 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 red.
Huh.
Open it, don't be sad.
So many colors around, it's hard to know them all. Let's see which ones you have found. Big things and oh so small. Pink and blue and green and red.
Excellent.
What does the dog say?
Oh. Huh.
Does it meow or neigh? Wait, the
Sloth.
dog says woof woof woof. The dog barks
Hare.
woof woof woof. Yes, nice, don't be
Dog.
afraid.
Alien. Cat. Excellent.
Oh.
Uh-oh. It's surprise, surprise. Whoa, uh-oh. A red surprise. Whoa, uh-oh. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Whoa, uh-oh. An egg surprise. Whoa, uh-oh. Let's crack it open. Crack, crack, crack. I wonder what
Wow.
is inside.
Ew. Magnet.
Hey, girl.
Excellent. Ew. Good job.
Aw.
Let's go.
Whoa!
Wax crayon.
Food coloring. Blue. Turquoise.
Wow. Yeah. Let's go.
Uh-huh.
Excellent. Good Yeah!
Baby, don't you worry, we will solve it right away. Solve the puzzle just like this. The puzzle game is fun.
Taken prisoner by the leaf monster. The forest prince vows to rescue her, but he falls into a trap. And in the end, the princess rescues him instead.
Fantastic.
Looks like everything's all set for your play to be a big success, Rose.
I hope so, Zinnia.
Except with this cold weather, you might want to think about a way to keep the audience warm.
We could grow some hot flowers.
Excuse me? What? Hot flowers?
Plants that give off heat. They're very special, but I have some seeds at home in a basket. Maybe you could bring them here.
Sure. Spearmint, let's go rustle up some seeds.
Yeah!
Rose, we read the play, and we all love it.
And of course, for the part of the princess, I was thinking, me! Oh, but in Rose's play, the princess likes knitting, just like me. So I'm perfect for the part. But the princess is also stylish. And nobody is as stylish as me. I'm sure we can work something out. Now, how about the prince?
That's me.
Step aside, boys. There's no reason why I can't play the prince. Right, Rose?
There are 3 different types of seeds. How do you know which ones make the hot flowers?
We'll have to try them out. Here we go. Now, which one is the hot one? I can't touch them, that might hurt. Wait, I know. I'll put these corn kernels onto each flower, and if they pop, that means the flower's hot.
That's the one.
It is, but it's too small to warm up the audience for Rose's play. I think I need to grow this plant a little bit bigger. Okay, maybe not this much bigger.
And the leaf monster could have a cloud raining leaves down on him everywhere he goes. Bucky, the rain of leaves, please. Thank you.
How about if we made the leaf monster costume out of tree bark and painted on the leaves?
Rose, that is why you are in charge and we are not. Come on, Bucky. We've got some bark together.
Rose, have you decided who is going to play the princess? Yes, I thought if you both want to be on stage, one of you could play the princess and the other could be her royal advisor.
Rose, we thought about your idea where one of us plays the prince and the other one his trusted assistant. But we didn't really like it.
All right then, we'll have 2 princes. They can be brothers. Wait, if there are going to be 2 princes, why not 2 princesses? Oh, and if the prince can have 1 brother, why not 2 brothers? Okay, just give me a little time to rewrite the play. Right, let's get started. We have a lot to do before tonight's show.
1 second, Rose. In the new play, one of the princes is the oldest. Don't you think I should be the big brother?
One of these princesses seems more fashionable than the other, which of course is the part meant for me. I can be fashionable too.
And I can be a big brother.
And I can be
Rose, I was just collecting, and I absolutely didn't say stealing, some food from Thorne's kitchen when I noticed the stage, the actors, but especially all this arguing.
I know. We'll never be ready in time for tonight's show.
Then I'm just the chipmunk you need. I have, how should I put this? Oh yes, a natural talent for supervising and giving orders.
Rose, what do you think of the new leaf monster costume? Hillary, what are you doing here?
Taking charge. We'll have that leaf monster costume in brown, if you please, Thorne. Actors, to your places.
I guess I could use a little help.
It's still growing. I must have given it too much magic. Spearmint, help me!
Let's begin by rehearsing the scene where the prince falls into the leaf monster's trap.
Rose, as your assistant, I must recommend that you start with the most important part of the play, the end. Everyone, if you will flip to the back.
Okay, well, we can start that way.
Let's go, people. All princes and princesses, step forward.
I'll just go and check on the leaf monster costume.
Rose, why don't you go and check on the leaf monster costume? I'm fine here.
Oh, I thought we decided not to use real leaves, but paint them on the bark.
Hillary told us to do it like this. The chipmunk does have a point. It's more leafy.
I think I'll take a break.
And don't you think it's better if you all save the day in the end?
Easy now.
What happened here?
Things got a little out of control.
A little?
I know exactly what you mean. It's just like my play.
How is this part of Rose's play again?
An actor doesn't question his director. Good news, I have decided to throw out Rose's play and make up a new one. Daffodil, you're playing a grasshopper, so you'll hop. Cat Moss, you're playing worms, so you'll wiggle. Lilac Thistle, you're roly-poly bugs, which means, of course, a dance.
What is he talking about?
Come on now, hop, wiggle, dance.
This is so... What are we thinking? We've got to talk to Rose. Where is Rose anyway?
Soon, everybody in the park will be asking me to put on shows. Ellery, the fabulous chipmunk director.
At least I know one thing. I'll never direct a play again. Yeah, Rose! We can't do the play without you, and the royal couple are expecting to see a show. They're gonna be disappointed. We got a little carried away with ourselves back there.
It was your play. We shouldn't have tried to change it.
I didn't think you liked the play or me as a director one bit.
We're sorry. Truly.
Please, Rose. Well, I guess I wasn't a very firm director, or I would never have let Ellery take over. But I think I know how to get my play back from him.
There you all are. You deserted the stage before my grand finale. Now, we don't have much time.
Thank you, Ellery. I'll take it from here. We still haven't decided who will play the hardest part, which requires the most acting talent. I thought that maybe you would do it.
Me? I mean, of course, yes, I accept. Anyway, I'm done with directing. An actor I shall be.
Good. Everybody to their places. We've got work to do.
Princess Olivia, Prince Norbert, enjoy the show.
Help us, please! Rose!
Bravo! Bravo!
Thank you all. But without your help and friendship, none of this would have been possible. Thanks to you, we put on our most wonderful winter extravaganza ever.
They loved me. Today I played a flower. Tomorrow, who knows? I could play a mountain. Soon there will be no